With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
A fully charged capacitor C with initial charge Q0 is connected to a coil of self-inductance L at t equals 0. The time at which energy is stored equally between the electric and magnetic fields is. So what they are doing is they are connecting a charged capacitor with an inductor. It is just like your LC oscillations, right? They will connect one charged capacitor with an inductor like this. So when they are connecting like this turns out how the charges move. Initially the charge will be maximum in this capacitor. Okay, so at time t equals 0, the initial charge becomes maximum, and when initial charge is maximum, the charge in a capacitor will be equal to Q equals Q0 cos omega t. Okay, as it goes on, as time goes on increasing, obviously the charge goes on decreasing with this rate, that is Q equals Q0 cos omega t. Now if charge is this much, what will be the current in the capacitor? I will be equal to dq by dt. So differentiating this equation with respect to t, you get it as minus omega q0 sine omega t. So this is the current stored or current present in the capacitor. Now if there is a charge present, obviously there will be an energy stored, right? The time at which the energy is stored you have to find. So energy is stored both in a capacitor as well as an inductor. So the energy stored in a capacitor, you will call it as UC, and UC is equal to, you can write it in terms of Q, it is Q square by 2C. Whereas energy will be stored even in the case of inductor will be having an energy of half Li square. Now at certain instant of time, what they are telling, see, the time at which energy is stored equally between the electric and magnetic field. So electric field is present in capacitor, magnetic field is present in the inductor. This is because of electric field and this is because of the magnetic field. So what they are asking is, you are supposed to calculate the time at which the energy remains same between the electric and magnetic field, correct? So we shall say that at some certain instant of time t, UC will be equal to UL. Let us say at time t. So at some time t, we shall say that this condition is going place. So when this condition is satisfied, it means that Q square by 2C is equal to half Li square. And here we will substitute the values of I, Q, everything, so that this equation becomes Q is what? It is Q0 cos omega t. We shall write it as Q0 square cos square omega t divided by 2C. It is equal to half L into I. I is this. I square you have to write, right? So omega square Q0 square sine square omega t. Now in this, we know that during this condition, during LC oscillation, the resonant frequency omega naught will be equal to 1 by root LC. So substituting this equation here, you will get the value, you will get the equation as when you substitute the value of omega here with 1 by root LC, and see here you have sine square omega t. Q0 square gets cancelled on both the sides. So sine square omega t divided by cos square omega t, you will get it as tan square omega t, which will be equal to, we'll write that, okay, 1 by 2C is equal to L by 2, or 2 also you can get cancelled, L by 2 into omega square is what? 1 by LC. Omega is 1 by root LC. Omega square is 1 by LC into sine square omega t by cos square omega t becomes tan square omega t. So now in the C, L gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, C gets cancelled. So you will be retained with tan square omega t is 1, which means tan omega t is also equal to 1. And when do you get tan function as 1? When omega t will be equal to pi by 4. So t will be equal to, if omega t is pi by 4, what will be t? T will be equal to pi by 4 omega. And as we know, omega is root LC. So from this, what you can write? You can write T is equal to pi by 4 into root LC. So this is the time at which the magnetic field and energy stored in magnetic field and electric field will be equal. So see to the choices. It is pi by 4 root LC. Option A will be the right answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.